Good morning, students. Welcome back to St. Joseph's English Medium School, Jaipur. WhatsApp Digital Learning class of 4th Standard Math subject. Today, we will learn the next part of our lesson. Before beginning, we have to just once we'll glance what we have learned in the last video. In the last video, we have completed exercise number 2.3, question number 4 and question number 5. In question number 4, writing the number names using both Indian and international system of numbering. And question number 5, writing the place and the place value of circle digit in both the Indian and international system of numbering. These things we have completed in the previous video. Now, in today's video, children, we are going to start new exercise, that is exercise number 2.4. There we are going to do question number 1 is writing the numbers in the expanded form, and question number 2, write the numbers in the standard form. These two questions are there in your exercise number 2.4. So already we have done for 4 digit numbers also, 5 digit numbers also, 6 digit, 7 digit, up to 7 digit we have done expanded notation also and standard form. But still we will recapitulate what we have learned also. So let us learn the expanded notation form. So in this exercise, as I told, it is started from the expanded notation. We have already learned this concept in the earlier exercises. Still once we will understand it. What is expanded notation? Expanded notation means writing the numbers or express the place value as addition. Means given numbers, each digits we have to write by according to their place value by inserting the plus symbol. Now let us take the example. Write these numbers in the expanded form. 23,81,296. So I'll take the first, what is it called? That is the 7 digits shortest method of the place value chart. Now I inserted the numbers here. Let us write the expanded form. So children, the expanded form should begin with biggest place of the given number. Here biggest place is 10 lakhs place. So in the 10 lakhs place, which digit we are having? 2. This means 2 is 20 lakh. Plus, now in next we have to go next place, that is lakhs place, that is 3. 3 becomes 3 lakhs. Plus 10,000s place, that is 8. 80,000. Plus, now thousands place, 1. 1,000. Plus hundreds place, 2. 200. Again plus tens place, 9. 90. Plus ones place, 6. By inserting each place's value, by inserting the plus symbol, we have written the expanded notation. This is the one method. Another method is there. If you are confusing with the place value, you can do one more method, that is simplest method. First we have to write the beginning of the question's first number, that is, or the big place value number, that is 2. After writing the 2, how many numbers are there in the question? Those remaining numbers we have to put as a zeros. Now after the 2, we are having how many digits? Count it. 3, 8, 1, 2, 9, 6. That means there are 6 digits left. So 6 zeros we have to insert. Now what is the method? Plus. If you don't put the plus, this it is not called as expanded notation. Compulsory we have to put the plus. Then we have to write the next digit. That is, after the 2, next is 3. After writing the 3, how many digits are left? Count it. 8, 1, 2, 9, 6. They are 5 digits. So number become, how many zeros we have to put? 5 zeros. Got it? Now after this, what we have to do, children? Plus. Then after writing the plus, take the next number. What is the next digit? 8. Write the 8. After writing 8, count the remaining numbers. 1, 2, 9, 6. Then how many are there? 4. So inside the 4 zeros. Now it will become 80,000. Again put the plus symbol. Then take the next number 1. Then after writing the 1, how many numbers are left? 2, 9, 6. That is 3 digits. So 3 zeros. Then what we have to do? Put the plus symbol. Good. Next, what we have to do, children? Next number. What is the next number is? 2. After writing 2, how many digits are left? Only 9 and 6 is left. So how many digits? 2 digits. This becomes 200. Again what to do? Important step, that is put the plus symbol. After putting the plus symbol only we have to take the next number. What is the next number? 9. After writing the 9, how many digits are left? Only 1 digit is left. This becomes 90. Next what is the step? Plus. Now write the next number, that is 6. After writing 6, any digits are left? No, that means 6 is the single digit number. So this is also a simplest method. So both the methods are correct, only you must be aware of how much digits are left and completely you have to put, by putting in plus symbol you have to write. This is the method to write the expanded notation. Let us do the, based on this, let us do the exercise number 2.4's first question. Write each number in the expanded form. So these are the questions given in the page number 68. Which page it is? Page number 68. So first question is 23,41,689. So what we have to do? We have to begin with the 10 lakhs place. What is the first number? 20 lakh plus 3 lakh, again plus 40,000 plus 1,000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 9. See, each digit we have placed with the according to their values by inserting the plus symbol. Let us do the B question. 4,08,303. First number is 4 lakh. Then there is no 10,000s number. Plus 8,000 plus 300. Again there is no tens number. So plus 3. This is the method to write the expanded notation. Now question number C. 80,99,689. So first question is 80 lakh plus, there is no lakhs number, directly 10,000s number is there. 90,000 plus 9,000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 9. So children, please read with me every word what I am saying. You have to read with me. So next question number D. 30 lakh plus 4 lakh, as the number is 4,82,127. So 30 lakhs plus 4 lakh plus 80,000 plus 2,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 7. Now last question of the first question, that is E. 6,41,062. So let us write the first 6 lakh plus 40,000 plus 1,000. There is no hundreds number, directly we have to write the tens number, plus 60 plus 2. Understood children? How to write? According to the place value of the number, we have to insert the digits and we have to insert the plus symbol and we have to write the expanded notation. So let us move to the next part of the exercise. The next part of the exercise is standard form. What is standard form? Write these numbers in the standard form. Standard form means together we have to write the number. If it is given in the words format, we have to begin with the biggest place. We can easily write. Now the question is given in the expanded form. See, they have inserted the plus symbol according to the place value they have written it. So now we have to write the, for this question, standard form. To do this method of question, we can do one simple form that I will show you by doing the rough works here. We have to place the numbers according to their place and we have to add. That is, from the ones place 1, tens place 7, 8 place, hundreds place 8, thousands place 3, 10,000s place 6, lakhs place 4, then 10 lakhs place 7. So together we can write like this by putting the plus symbol, 74,63,871 by doing the addition. Let us write the standard form. Also, without doing addition, if you want to do, you have to begin from the which place? That is ones place. In the ones place, which number we are having? 1. In the tens place, which number we are having? 7. 71. Now in the hundreds place, which number we are having? 8. 871. Now in the thousands place, which number we are having? 3. 3,871. Now in the 10,000s place, we are having 6. 63,871. Now what is the next number? Lakhs number. 4 lakh. 4 lakh 63,871. Now we have to go to the lastly biggest place, that is 10 lakhs place. What is the 10 lakhs place we are having? 7. 74 lakh 63,871. These are the two. This is the two methods. They both are correct to do the standard form of the questions. Let us do the question given in the exercise. Exercise number 2.4, question number 2, write each number in the standard form. So they are given in the expanded form. So children, from which number we have to begin? We have to begin from the ones number. Yes or no? So what is in the ones number? We are having 2. Then in the tens number 1. This becomes 12. Now what is in the hundreds place? 8. 812. Thousands place 7. 7,812. 10,000s place 6. 67,812. Lakhs place 3. 3 lakhs 67,812. 10 lakhs place 2. 23 lakh 67,812 is the first answer. Let us do the B question. So we have to begin with which place? Ones place. 7. Tens place 4. 47. Hundreds 3. 347. There is no thousands number. There is directly we are having 10,000s number. Then what we have to read? We have to write 20 itself. Why? Because to get the value for the thousands number. 20,347. Next, lakhs number, that is 3,20,347. Let us do the C question. Now 30,000 plus 400 plus 3 is there. So first which number we have to write? Which number? 3. That is the units number. So we have to return the 3. We don't have any tens number. What we have to do, children, here? We have to put the 0. Why? To get the value for the hundreds number. What is there in the hundreds number? 4. Now we can read this number as 403. Now again there is no thousand number. We are having directly 10,000s number. We have to write now 30. Now we can read this number as 30,403. 30,403. Let us do the D question. In the D question, we are having directly unit number. After the ones number, we are having directly thousands number. So what to do, children? We cannot write like this 3976. No, wrong it is. Then it will become wrong answer. So what we have to do? To give the value for the thousands number, we have to insert In the tens number and hundreds number, 0 zeros. Then only the thousand number will get the value. So what we'll write first? 009. Now what is the thousand number? 3. 3009. Now what is the 10,000 number here? 6. 63,009. Now again we don't have any lakhs number, that becomes 0. So directly we have to write 10 lakhs number, 70. 70 lakh. 63,009. You are getting, children? Yes. Okay. Let us do the E question. Again in the E question we are having ones number, but again we don't have any tens number. So what it will become? 606. It will become 06. Now what number we have to write? Hundreds number, 406. Now what is the thousands number? 2. 2406. Now what is then the 10,000s number? 7. 72,406. Now again we don't have any lakhs number, directly we are having 10 lakhs number. This will become 50 lakh. 50 lakh, 72,406. This is the method to write the answers of the expanded notation form into standard form. And I hope that you all have understood this concept. So children, as we have completed exercise number 2.4, that consists of only 2 questions. Write the exercise number 2.4. Question number 1. Write each number in the expanded form. This is the method. Write question, numbers and expanded form. After this writing question, we have to write question number 2. That is, write each number in the standard form. So in this video today we have completed 2.4 exercise by writing question number 1 and question number 2. By writing question number 1 and question number 2, we have completed today's exercise. So these 2 questions you have to write in your classwork and homework notebooks. I am telling you, please watch the videos again and again. You will not get any confusion. It will be the methods and the solving steps you can easily understand by watching the videos again and again. So that will help you to solve the questions very easily. I hope you understood today's expanded notation also and standard form of the numbers. Till the next video, children, we have completed exercise number 2.4. Next video will be of exercise number 2.5. So till the next video, take care, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye children. Thank you for watching the video. See you.